Which Samsung washer gives you the best mix of capacity, cleaning power, and useful features without paying for things you do not need? Stay to the end, because the strongest choice depends heavily on how much laundry you wash and where the machine will be installed. At number 1 is the most complete washer in this comparison. For me, the main advantage is not one single feature, but how well everything works together. A large drum, fast washing, steam, smart controls, and strong spin performance. The 5.0 cubic feet capacity gives you more room than the other front-load models, so large family loads, towels, and bedding are easier to handle. Super Speed Wash can clean an 8-pound load in about 28 minutes, while the 1,200 revolutions per minute spin speed removes more water before drying. You also get 23 cycles, steam settings, Self-Clean Plus, reduced vibration, and SmartThings control from your phone. Compared with the top-load models, it is more feature-rich and easier to stack in a small laundry area. But there is one thing you should know. This is the deepest and heaviest front-loader in the ranking. It weighs more than 216 pounds and needs almost 55 inches of depth with the door open. That is not a deal-breaker, but you should measure the room carefully. And while the drum is large, the 5.5 cubic feet top loader still holds more. This is the model I would choose for a busy household that wants strong, everyday performance without giving up premium features. If you wash several loads each week and want one machine that does almost everything well, this is the safest overall pick. But the next washer comes very close while using slightly less space. Links to all the products in this review at the best available prices are in the description below the video. In second place is a washer that feels very similar to the winner in daily use. You still get fast washing, steam, smart controls, and a broad cycle selection, but in a slightly smaller cabinet. The 4.5 cubic foot drum is enough for most households, and the 1,200 revolutions per minute spin speed matches the top-ranked machine. It also has 23 cycles, an internal water heater, Self-Clean Plus, vibration reduction, and smartphone control. In practice, that means you can check a cycle remotely, receive a notification when it finishes, and use steam when clothes need more serious cleaning. It also uses only 92 kilowatt-hours per year, which is lower than the larger model. The main compromise is capacity. That extra half cubic foot may not sound important on paper, but it becomes noticeable when you wash comforters or several large towels at once. The white finish may also be less appealing if you want a darker laundry setup. Still, it is shallower and lighter than the winner, so installation can be easier. Choose this washer when you want nearly all the premium features of the number 1 model, but do not need the larger drum. It is especially practical for couples, smaller families, or anyone working with a tighter laundry room. And if capacity matters more than steam or stacking, the next machine changes the priorities completely. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if this comparison is helping you choose the right washer. Third place goes to the largest washer in the ranking. And this is where the comparison becomes interesting, because this model is not trying to beat the front loaders at everything. Its main focus is simple: give you as much drum space as possible. The 5.5 cubic foot tub is useful for large bedding, bulky laundry, and fewer weekly loads. You also get a built-in active water jet faucet for treating stains before the wash begins, plus deep fill, a soft close lid, self-clean, and SmartThings control. Super Speed Wash is included as well, so an 8-pound load can be finished in about 28 minutes. For families that regularly wash large piles of clothes, that extra space can be more valuable than a longer feature list. But the lower 750 revolutions per minute spin speed means clothes may come out wetter than they do in the front-load models. There is no steam function, the machine cannot be stacked, and you need almost 60 inches of height with the lid open. The tub is also deep, which can make small items difficult to reach for shorter users. This is the right choice when maximum capacity and top-loading convenience matter most. It works well for large households, bulky bedding, or anyone who dislikes bending down to load a front door. But if you prefer a simpler and more efficient front loader, the fourth place washer may make more sense. At number 4 is the straightforward front load option. It does not have the long feature list of the first two machines, but it covers the basics well and has the lowest stated energy use in the comparison. You get a 4.5 cubic foot drum, a strong 1,200 revolutions per minute spin speed, 10 wash cycles, self-clean plus, and vibration reduction. It is also stackable and has the same relatively shallow depth as the second place model. In everyday use, this is the kind of washer that feels focused rather than complicated. You load it, choose a cycle, and get on with your day. The missing features are easy to notice. There is no Wi-Fi remote control, no steam, and no super speed wash. Smart Care helps with diagnostics, but it does not give you full control from your phone. The cycle selection is also much smaller than the 23-cycle premium models. That is a little disappointing, especially when the physical size is almost the same. This model suits someone who wants a dependable, efficient front loader and does not care about connected features. It can also work well in a stacked laundry setup, but if you prefer a traditional top-loading design and even simpler controls, the final machine is the basic alternative. In fifth place is the simplest washer here. It is designed for buyers who want familiar top-load operation without paying for Wi-Fi, steam, or a large collection of special cycles. The 4.5 cubic foot tub is still large enough for normal household laundry, and the impeller design leaves the center of the drum open. You get 8 cycles, including deep wash, along with self-clean, vibration reduction, a soft close lid, and basic smartphone-assisted diagnostics. It is also much lighter than the front-load machines, which can make installation and moving less difficult. However, this is clearly the weakest model on specifications. Its 700 revolutions per minute spin speed is the lowest in the ranking, so laundry may retain more water. It also has the highest stated energy use at 240 kilowatt-hours per year, the fewest cycles, and no remote control, steam, or fast wash mode. And because it is a top loader, stacking is not possible. Consider this washer when you want simple controls, a top opening lid, and basic cleaning modes without extra technology. It can handle regular laundry, but buyers who wash frequently or care about energy use and faster drying should look higher in the ranking. Check the links in the description to see the top-ranked washers and compare the latest available prices. And remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical product comparisons.